Wow, are you excited?
Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm gonna run over my stuff.
Whoa!
Check this out, guys. This thing goes in the water.
What? Wow! Ooh, try to go up that hill. That's a great idea.
Bring her over here, Sam.
Sam, do you like it? That's crazy. What? Oh my gosh! What? That's crazy. I hope it doesn't flip over. I guess it doesn't matter though.
Go down the stairs.
Oh!
Oh no! Can't get it.
Should be fine. Yeah, it's fine. That's crazy. All right, we built a ramp. Let's see it, Sam.
Wait, a little bit more. Hold on, right?
What? That's crazy.
Hey guys, I'm gonna run over these semi trucks.
Ooh. Do you like your new Megalodon RC race truck?
Yeah!
That thing is sweet. And this is from Monster Jam, right?
Yeah.
That's awesome, bud.
Guys, thank you for watching my show. Hit the